In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Zig Clean Color Real Brush Pens by Kuretake in watercolor paper, which is the ideal paper to use these pens. Each pen has a protective plastic cap. On the side there is the number and the color of the pen. The tip of the brush has pointed bristles, which allows you to make fine strokes, draw details, and lettering. These pens are water-based. The pigment is neither too liquid nor too dry. They can be used dry or with water to give a watercolor effect. Softer colors are too light, so it is only necessary to add a little water to get a watercolor effect, like these light blue and light gray colors. The pointed bristles are suitable for lettering and also for detailing. It is necessary to say that when these pens have run out their ink, must be disposed of in the recycling bin for plastics in order to protect the environment. I'm going to mix two close colors. You must mix the colors while the paint is still wet on the paper. The darker color always goes first. It is possible to mix two colors by rubbing the tips together. This doesn't damage the tips. Now I'm going to mix two close colors with little water and brush. For larger paintings, it is possible to mix the paint with water in a dish or palette. As you can see, the pigment is more humid, just like watercolor. After the base is dry, it is possible to draw over with the pen. Now I'm going to mix three colors with water. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more.